Hi you guys, welcome back. My name is Liz. If you haven't been here before, welcome. Today we are going to talk about eyelash extensions. I actually found a great way to give yourself DIY eyelash extensions for under $10. So you really can't beat that. These eyelash extensions we are going to test out for the next few days to make sure everything is legit. I will give you kind of a day-by-day replay of how they are lasting, how they are sticking. So far so good. I am actually re-recording this because I accidentally deleted it this morning when I originally filmed it, so I was really bummed about that, but I can let you know that they are still sticking really well, and you know, I have nothing but good things to say about them so far, but obviously we need to sleep on them, take our makeup off with them on and everything like that. So I will keep you updated, and at the very end I will let you know my final opinion about everything. So just to give you guys some context, the eyelash glue that I will be using today is this Ardell LashTite eyelash glue. This is one that I discovered quite a while ago, and I always wanted to test it out because Ardell claims that this will last for up to 2 weeks. I checked out the Amazon reviews and people are saying it lasts for about 7 days, but I'm cool with that because the method I used today only took me about 20 minutes. So if I only need to put on eyelashes for 20 minutes a week, I'm cool with that. So as you can tell, it's this little glass bottle. I ordered this on Amazon, and all of the products I use today will be linked below, and they are all Amazon links. So if you want to try Amazon Prime, I also do have a free membership for 30 days if you want to give Amazon Prime a go. But as you will see in the video, I initially tried applying individual lashes. So I got these B&Q lashes, and they had amazing reviews on Amazon. But they did not work out for this case. So I tried applying them individually, and you guys, that would have literally taken me 3 hours to do, and nobody's got time for that. So what I ended up doing is I cut up these invisible band eyelashes that I already had. These are Kiss Blowout lashes in the style Pageboy. They're really beautiful, fluffy lashes. So what I did instead of applying individual lashes is I cut these up into sections, and then I dipped them in the glue, and then I applied them. So you will see that in the video, and you will also see like all the tools, my setup, and how I apply them in the video. So without further ado, let's get into it. I will show you how everything goes, and then I will show you my end results. All right, you guys, let's get it started. So I wanted to go over my materials first and foremost. So I have a spoolie right here. This is just to kind of brush out the lashes as I go. A lot of Q-tips, maybe to clean up some runny glue, or and also to prep my lashes to make sure they're fully clean. They need to be no makeup on them, no oils. They need to be very clean. So make sure you are doing that beforehand. I have my eyelash extensions, B&Q. I found them on Amazon. They will be linked below. And then this is the kind of glue that you need to do this. It's called LashTite Dark Adhesive by Ardell. And next I have my tweezers. These are very sharp, so if you are not comfortable getting, you know, sharper things closer to your eyeballs, you can use a regular tweezer, I'm sure. These help like pull apart and fan the lashes. So I ordered these also from Amazon. Let's get into it. All right, I got my first one. It's only 2. This is going to take a long time, I have a feeling, so this is gonna take literally forever. It's already been a minute. I don't even have one on yet. I recommend getting the glue pretty tacky before you put it on your eye, just so that it just immediately sticks and you're not like holding it there, because you don't want to hold something this sharp to your eye for too long. You guys, this is not working. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. I'm gonna try something else that I've also seen. So I also saw that you can cut up like a lash and put it on in sections. So I have these are by Kiss. So I'm gonna cut these up very small, like little section by section, you see. And then I'm going to apply them because I think that this is a better way of doing it. I cannot even put these ones on, to be quite honest. And the ones with the invisible bands are the best ones to use, I would say. I wouldn't go with like a very thick band because you're gonna be wearing these, you know, day in and day out for a while. Okay, so I have the lash right here, and I'm just going to cut it into like little individual pieces. Okay, something that I'm kind of starting to pick up on is that you should be putting glue on multiple lashes and then letting them get tacky and let them sit there for a while. And I am actually putting all of these lashes above my lashes. I know I said earlier that I was going to put them underneath. That's not working out, so I'm putting them on my lash line. All right, you guys, I have my first one on, so you can kind of see the difference. So I think this is honestly going to be your best bet. These little individual ones, unless you have about 3 hours to do it, nah, honey, it's just not gonna roll. It's not gonna work. So the lashes that I use to do this, obviously it's an invisible band. Here they are. It's called Pageboy. They're big fluffy lashes, kind of how I like it. This is probably what I would actually go for. So yeah, I like how it looks right now, but it's gonna be the true test trying to figure out how long they stay on, you know, like everything like that. So let's get into the next one. I have them all cut up and laid out. Okay, quick update on the lashes. They are kind of falling off in, oh, a whole one just fell off. I have just been kind of touching them up with glue and popping them back on. Majority of them are staying on, but I don't know if I used too dry of glue or too wet of glue, but some are kind of popping off. So this is day 2 update. Hi you guys, welcome back. This is day 3, so this is Monday. I just wanted to give a quick update about my lashes because I kind of feel like it might be time for them to go. So let me give you guys a quick rundown on what I liked and what I didn't. So first of all, I love that the glue is not sensitive on my eyes. They do not bother me at all. As you can see, I'm starting to lose some. I lost one right here. They're starting to pull up. So honestly, like, you know, it's not lasting me 7 days. It probably could last me a little bit longer if I touch them up and put some additional glue on them. But right now at this point, I'm ready for them to come off. So I'm going to try and just take them off with coconut oil and see how that goes. I honestly think this is a really great idea for like if you are going on like a weekend vacation or something. Pop these on and you don't need to worry about them. Like obviously they did not get destroyed in me sleeping, which is usually what happens with lashes. I think that they were cut up and more flexible made them so, you know, I didn't destroy them. So overall, I really enjoyed it. It didn't last as long as I thought it would, but I'm here for it. I'm going to definitely do it again, especially when I'm on vacation. I'm going to bring this lash glue because it does stick a little bit better. And I will leave my final comments about how to remove these easily in the description box below because I will have already uploaded this video by the time I take them off. So I just wanted to get that out there that all removal tips will be in the description box. Like I said earlier, if you want to try this out, all of the products will also be in the description box as well. So thank you guys so much. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this experiment. It was fun. Alright you guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed this DIY lash extension video for under $10. It's super simple, takes barely any time, and you know, it's kind of a great hack for just doing lash extensions on the go on your own. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know you are enjoying these type of videos. Also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more lifestyle in your 20s, health, beauty, all of that. I cover it all here on this channel and I would love to see you guys next week. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.